Hi friends, today I am going to discuss income of other person included in SSC's total income, that is clubbing of income. Here other person means wife, minor, children, okay, and SSC means transferor. Okay, let's move on into the chapter and see the first section 60. In this chapter remember sections also, okay. Section 60 says about income transferred without transfer of asset. For example, Mr. A. Mr. A has a house property registered in his name. Mr. A transferred the right of receiving rent to Mrs. A. Then income earned by Mrs. A will be clubbed Mr. A. Mr. A's income, okay, and will get all benefits under house property. And see the next section 61. Income arising from revocable transfer of asset. Revocable means cancelable transfer of asset. Then the income from such property shall be clubbed in the income of transferor. Okay. And see the next section 64 1 2. Income arising to spouse by way of remuneration from a company or a firm in which the individual has a substantial interest, but clubbing provision will not apply if spouse receives remuneration on the basis of technical and professional qualification. If both husband and wife has substantial interest in the firm, the clubbing provision will apply to the spouse who has greater total income, excluding income from such firm or company or concern. Okay. See, for example, ABC Company. ABC Company, Mr. A and Mrs. A, Mr. A and Mrs. A both together holding 25% shares. Okay. Mr. A total income 100, Mrs. A 50. The clubbing provision will apply to the spouse. The clubbing provision will apply to the spouse who has the greater total income, excluding income from such firm or company or concern. Okay? And see the next one. Section 64 class 1, section 64 subsection 1 class 4. This section says about income arising to the spouse from asset transferred without adequate consideration. And see, for example, Mr. A and Mrs. A both are divided because of some reasons. Okay, after divide, Mr. A transferred asset to Mrs. A after divide. Okay, income generate from that asset, not clubbed in Mr. A. Okay. Okay, and see the second one in this section. This section says about income arising to the spouse from the asset transferred without adequate consideration. Okay, and see the second one. Where transfer of asset which is a house property, then section 27 will be applicable and transferor will be deemed to be the owner of the house property. Okay, and see the third one. Mr. A transferred 50 lakhs to Mrs. A. Mrs. A deposit in bank at the rate of 10% interest. So, after maturity 55 lakhs. And again these 5 lakhs. Deposited at the rate of 10%, 50,000. Mr. A transfer 50 lakhs to Mrs. A. Deposit in a bank at the rate of 10%, 55 lakhs after maturity. 55 lakhs minus 50 lakhs, remaining 5 lakhs again deposited at the rate of 10 percentage. So 50,000. This is accretion income. Accretion income. Okay. In transferor, that is Mr. A, these 5 lakhs clubbed, but this 50,000 not clubbed. Okay. I hope this is clear for you. And see the fourth one in this section. When transfer asset, that is money, is invested in business, then proportion has to be clubbed in transferor's income. Proportion to include in transferor. Proportion to include in transferor profit on capital contribution into amount invested in the firm on first day of previous year and divided by total investment by the transferee on the first day of previous year, that is own plus gift fund. Here gift fund only. Okay. Transferred asset is invested in business, then proportion has to be clubbed in transfer or income. Okay. And see the next section, 64 subsection 1 class 7. Income arising to any person or AOP from the asset transferred without adequate consideration for the benefit of the spouse, then such income will be clubbed to the income of the transferor spouse. See, Mr. A, house property, transfer this house property to the company. And Mr. A says, pay the benefit to Mrs. A. Pay the benefit to Mrs. A. That is house rent. Then such income will be clubbed in the hands of the Mr. A. Okay. And see the next section, 64 subsection 1 class 6. Income arising to the son's wife from asset transferred without adequate consideration from father-in-law or mother-in-law after marriage. Income from such asset transfer to be included in the income of the transferor. When transferred asset is invested in business, then proportion has to be clubbed in transferor's income. I already discussed formula. Proportion to be clubbed in transferor. Profit on capital contribution into amount invested in the firm and first day of previous year, that is gift fund only, and divided by total investment by the transferee and the first day of previous year, that is own plus gift fund. Okay. And say the next section, 64 subsection 1 class 8. Income arising to any person or AOP from the asset transferred without adequate consideration for the benefit of the son's wife, then such income will be clubbed to the income of the transferor parents. Okay. And say the next section, 64 1A. Income of minor child to be clubbed in the income of the parents, whoever is having higher total income in the first year, and for all subsequent year, same parent is liable to pay the tax. Say for example, Mr. A and Mrs. A is having a daughter B. Okay. They give her 10,000 per month. And B saves around 5,000 per month. So, she is saving total 60,000 per annum. Okay. Deposited in a bank at the rate of interest 10%. So, that is 6,000 per annum. clubbing of higher total income, Mr. A or Mrs. A. This 6,000 clubbed in the hands of Mr. A or Mrs. A whose income is higher. Okay, if once added to a particular parent, then subsequent years also that parent only, okay, irrespective of his higher. Okay, even the subsequent years the person income is lower, then also clubbed to that person only. Okay, in case of divorce, parents who is maintaining custody of child is liable to pay tax. Okay, and see next, the income of minor child will not be included the income of parents. If minor child has earned income by way of manual work, skill or talented or specialized knowledge or experience, and if minor child is suffering from specified disability as specified under section 80U. These three cases, the income of minor child will not be clubbed in the income of parents. Okay, and there is a section 10 subsection 32, exemption up to 1500 per annum per minor child is given to the parent. Okay, exemption 1500 per annum. Okay, this is all about section 64 1A. And see the next section 64 subsection 2. For example, Mr. A individual has a house property. This house property is transferred to A's HUF. A's HUF, that is 4 people. Father, mother, son, daughter. And see, A's HUF is Karta. Mother, son, daughter. A father, mother, son, daughter. Okay. House property, partition in the house property, these 4 people, father, mother, son, daughter. Then the portion of the property received by the spouse of such individual, any income arising to spouse from such property shall be clubbed with the total income of such individual. Okay. And see, substantial interest means in case of company holding 20% or more shares or voting right either by himself or with relative. Say for example, Mr. A holding 18% shares and relative of Mr. A 2% of shares. So total 20% of shares in ABC company. And see, ABC company, Mr. A holds 25% shares or voting rights. In this company, Mrs. A work as a manager. Then income of this Mrs. A will be clubbed in Mr. A's income. Okay, clubbed. And see the second point in substantial interest in any other case. This is in case of company. In any other cases, 20% or more profit receivable from such concern, from such company, either by himself or with relative. See for example, A is receiving 15% profit, and relative receiving 6% profit, then total 21%. Okay. Substantial interest means in case of company holding 20% or more shares or voting right either by himself or with relative. In any other case, 20% or more profit receiving from such concern either by himself or with relative. Okay. And see, everywhere the word income includes loss as well. Okay. And see the cross transfer. And see, Mr. A, Mrs. A, Mr. C, Mrs. C. Mr. A transfer 5 lakhs to Mrs. C. Transfer 5 lakhs to Mrs. C, wife of Mr. C. And Mrs. C deposits at bank at the rate of 10% per annum interest. Okay. Mr. A and Mr. C brothers, both are brothers. Okay. In return, Mr. C transfers 6 lakhs to Mrs. A, wife of Mr. A. And Mrs. A also deposited 6 lakhs in fixed deposit at a bank at the rate of 10% per annum interest. And see, there's the gifts given by Mr. A and Mr. C to Mrs. C and Mrs. A respectively is not taxable under section 56 to 10. But the interest income earned on cross transfer to the extent of 5 lakhs will be clubbed in the hands of Mr. A and Mr. C respectively. Okay. And see the format of income of other person included in assessee's total income, that is clubbing of income. First mention the name of the assessee, age of the assessee, residential status and assessment year previous year. Okay. And see the next computation of total income of Mrs. minor. Okay. Particulars Mr. or Mrs. minor child. First, income from salaries. If there is, then mention. Okay. And also house property, capital gain, PGBP, other sources. If there is any information in a question from this, then mention. Okay. And add section 64(1) class 2 when spouse does not have relevant qualification. Okay. And next add section 64(1) class 4, section 64(1) class 7, section 64(1) class 6, section 64(1) class 8 by mentioning the note and fill up it. Okay. And the next total to find out who has higher income for section 64(1) class 2. Okay. And the next add husband and wife having substantial interest in the firm. Clubbing will apply to spouse who has higher income. Section 64(1) class 2. Then total find out which parent has higher income for section 64(1)(a). Okay. And then next add section 64(1)(a). Okay. And see the next section 10 subsection 32 deduct the exemption 1500 per annum per child. Okay. By adjusting all this, then total income of Mrs. minor child will come. Okay. Okay friends, I hope this chapter is clear for you. If you have any doubt, then comment to me. Okay friends, all the best. Do well, prepare well. Bye bye.